Greetings, people. So here is another valve review. So this one is a little bit different. So this one is a teardown video. So outlining the parts of a hose bib faucet, also known as a garden pipe. Some person call it a washtub pipe. Right. So this is a brass hose bib faucet. I'm just going to disassemble it for us to see detail the parts that make up this complete faucet. So I'm just going to disassemble it and put the parts down, and then we'll go through them individually. So we have at the top left our handle. We have in the center our gland nut. We have at the top right our stem and jumper. Right? So let me take up this and show you. So the stem is this total solid section here with the thread, and the jumper is right at the base of it, the section that is moving. Alright. So this type of jumper for this stem assembly is a fixed jumper, meaning it cannot be removed. And if you have a fixed jumper, that means you have a removable jumper. Alright? So the jumper section holds the washer in place. Then we have the bonnet that holds the stem. And then we have the body, right, that everything secures to. Alright? Man, so that's it.